Well, we have breaking updates now coming in. The BJP has raised the issue of immigration and has slammed the opposition's vote bank politics. And India Bloc, meanwhile, has pinned the blame on the centre, saying it was the centre that has made borders porous. That's the dig that has come in. So, communalizing for votes, that's the charge that has come in as well. So India Bloc leaders are questioning the centre, saying if this man is a Bangladeshi immigrant, the onus is on the centre. How is it that the centre was not aware of it? How is it that the illegal immigrants are moving around in the country and also carrying out crimes? That's the attack that has come in from the India Bloc, pinning the blame on the centre, saying if the attacker has been identified as a Bangladeshi national, then it is the centre that must answer on how is it that the illegal immigrants are not just able to enter the country, move around freely, but also carry out these crimes, saying that the centre should be answerable for the crime that has taken place. My colleague Shweta joins us on the broadcast with the details. Shweta, politics breaking out after the police revealed that this man could be a Bangladeshi immigrant.
Well, that's right. In fact, politics erupt over the case where now Mumbai police has also reaffirmed that this particular crime accused is a Bangladeshi national. First of all, he was lacking the Indian documents that had actually given the validity of this person belonging to India. Number two, the number of items which were recovered in his possessions also indicates that he can be a Bangladeshi. And post this, we have also seen the details emerging that from where he belongs to Bangladesh, the village, the district of Bangladesh has also been out, and after this we have seen the series of attacks that is taking place. But between this, the opposition, in fact the MVA leaders like Priyanka Chaturvedi, they have attacked the ruling. They have stated that now how come Bangladesh, when it shares the borders with 5 states and all the 5 states are BJP, how come such infiltrators are entering the Indian land? And moreover this, we have seen now a slew of reactions that are coming in from both opposition as well as ruling. But here we see that opposition leaving no stone unturned when it comes to hitting out at Mahayuti in Maharashtra. Moreover, we have also seen Mahayuti reactions pouring in from Krishna Hegde. He said that when it comes to Bangladeshi infiltrators or Rohingya is the prime issue which we have been facing, and for this thing the Maharashtra government is already working. The crackdown is already taking place, but here we have also seen that how Priyanka Chaturvedi very actively, she has also put this on X, stating about such kind of incidents taking place in Mumbai, and then finally we get to know that the prime accused belongs to Bangladesh. And what does the Home Minister has done so far to curb such illegal activities and illegal comings of these people into Indian land? In fact, now we understand that this particular person who has been nabbed, in fact, he belongs to Bangladesh, and several other things were also indicating that he is not Indian. So the kind of names he was changing, constantly changing of names, and whatever was found in his possession.
How is it that he was getting access to these fake documents? Where was he getting it done from? All of those are to be probed by the police officials. Thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're slipping into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.